ladies and gentlemen, this isn't the video I wanted to be making, but I'm pretty sure we might have killed the Bonneville. Let's get some stuff out of the back here. And yes, we are using a piece of baseboard as a hood prop because you got to do what you got to do. So the story goes something like this. I took it out for a ride late at night last night and did a pull getting on the highway through gears 1 and 2. Nothing out of the ordinary. This car's done that hundreds of times. And about 15 minutes later I started to hear it clicking and it sounded like knocking. So I'm hoping it's not a bent rod, but I'm hoping it, I don't know. You know, it'd be lovely if the problem just went away, but we're thinking it's a bent rod or one of the rocker arms is bad. So I don't know, we'll see what happens, and we'll sort it out as the problems come back up. Anyway, let's see if it'll even start, because last night it died and it didn't even want to start again. Place your bets, let's see what it does. Started right up. That engine light's for an O2 sensor, but it could be for other things. I'll have to get that scanned. Oil pressure is right where it should be. This is bizarre. I wonder, we'll give it a second to warm up and then we'll give it some revs and see what it does. Alright, the temperature gauge has come up, so let's see what it does. Anyway, this is probably going to be a shorter video. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. You can hear it knocking. don't know what we're gonna do. It's either gonna get fixed or it's gonna go away for a while until it can come back. I don't know. I don't think it's going anywhere. It's not like it's not getting wrecked. Like, I don't know. I'll keep you posted with updates, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing yet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.